Hi guys, my name is Dion, Crazy Coupon Craver, and this is Puss Puss. She says, I'm back. So people were really missing her and really like Puss Puss. Good looking. Thank you for tuning in and thank you for all your support and all your comments. And Puss Puss is back. So thank you for tuning in and thank you for everybody because I couldn't do it without you guys. I hope you enjoy this video, and if you keep tuning in and give it a big thumbs up, it helps other people see my channel and help to learn how to coupon too. So thank you for tuning in. God bless you guys. And Mom's doing really good. So yeah. But we ended up buying this Armor Hammer. This is $1.99 on sale. There's $1 digital, so it makes it 99 cents. So that is a fantastic deal. They have coupons on Alexa and coupons.com too. So hopefully, and then the save from last week, always they have $1 coupons in there. I ended up buying these. These were 4 for $8. There's a $5 digital, and then a $4 digital, yeah, or $3 digital, sorry. And then you get $4 in register rewards back. So it makes it 50 cents a piece or $1 for both of them. And so that is a fantastic stock up deal. And you guys can go to shopiumcoupons.com, or you can print them off the computer if you have a computer. So that is a fantastic deal, guys. These were buy one, get one half price. They were like $8.49, buy one, get one half price. I ended up getting a $4 digital. And then I also had where you get $5 in register Walgreens cash back for buying 3 of them. And then I submitted it to Ibotta for $2 a piece. So I ended up getting these for like $1.50 for each one of these. So that is a fantastic deal too, guys. So I hope you can take advantage of that. So then I did the razor deal. I don't know. Okay. Maybe okay, I just bought these two. This was like 12 something. I think I bought 3 of them, but this was like $12.99, and then buy one get one half price. I bought another razor, and then I bought this, and I ended up spending $20, $22. I ended up having a $4 digital, $1.50 on that, and then I had another razor. I don't know where it's at, but I had $4 off of that, and then I submitted $4 to Ibotta for that. So it made everything, I put it in a 12 off of 50 booster, but then I had a stackable 11 off of 40. So I ended up using both of those. So I end up getting everything for free plus a moneymaker. So that is a fantastic deal. Your boosters will stack with the other boosters, but you cannot pay with cash. So, and this is also in one of them on coupons.com or Alexa or Shopium too. So you can stack them too and try to get them cheaper. Okay, I didn't get these were $5.49 a piece. There's $1 coupons for each one of those. If you spend over $20, they're $5.49. You end up getting $5 in register rewards back. But that was my haul. Oh no, I'm sorry. Sorry, baby. I ended up buying 4 of these. These were $1 a piece, 4 for $4. So I thought that was a fantastic deal. So if you like candy, go ahead and stock up now on this, because like I said, they're 4 for $4. So that is a great deal. And then you can also, if you don't want to buy the hairspray, you can buy the shampoos too. I didn't try out the whole blends, but the whole blends, I didn't try that. But like I said, you can buy the shampoos on this, mix and match the styling gels. So I think that is a fantastic deal, guys. And you can reset by using your other coupons. So, and like I said, you can find coupons on coupons.com. You can print them out, or Alexa, or Shopium. So that is a fantastic deal. I ended up using $15 in register reward to lower my out of pocket. I ended up spending $35 out of pocket, but then I got $35 back. But then I ended up getting $10 from Ibotta for the razor and this. I also submitted it to Shopium, and I got $7 back and $7 back from coupons.com. So I thought that was a fantastic stock up deal, guys. So if I can do it, guys, you guys can do it too. Thank you for tuning in, and thank you for all your support. And thank you, good looking again, for all your comments and about my mom and then about Puss Puss. So, but she's happy to be back, and I'll put her in more videos, guys. Thank you for tuning in. God bless you. Bye.